What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Jira issues from email. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Jira. After typing, you will be redirected to the official website of Jira, wherein if you are new to Jira, just simply sign up with your email password and the credentials to create your new Jira account. But if you already have a Jira account, just simply log in with that account. Now, after signing up or logging in, you will be redirected to your recent project. And from here, on the right side, you need to click on the settings icon. And after clicking on settings, click on system under Jira admin settings. Now, after clicking on the system, scroll down at the bottom and under the mail section, click on incoming mail. And after clicking on the incoming mail section, a new window of incoming mail servers will open, wherein from here you will see the option of add incoming mail server. And you will see another option of add incoming mail handler. If you want to add an issue, you just need to click on add incoming mail handler, or if you want to in to set up your incoming mail server, you just need to click on add incoming mail server. So we'll just click on add incoming mail handler, and after that a pop-up window will appear wherein you need to give it a name, and you need to choose the default cloud mail server, and from here you can create a new issue or add a comment to an existing issue. And when you are done, simply click on next, and then you will be able to create a new issue in Jira. And this is the project name, this is the issue type, this is the catch email, and this is the forward email. And when you are done, just simply click on add, and then you will be able to create your Jira issues from your email. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.